Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to change language on Pinterest in this video. Let's get started. First, open Pinterest on your device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on Account Management. Go to Personal Information. Tap on Language at the bottom. Tap on your default language. Now select any language from the given list. And that is how to change language on Pinterest. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.